Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the quadratic equation guys, and according to this question we have to find out the value of lambda guys, right, and the range of lambda, and the sides of the triangle is given. AB and C be the sides of the triangle and no two of them are equal, and the alpha belongs to lambda belongs to real number, and if the roots of the given equation are real, then we have to find out the value guys. We are having the four options and we have to check which option is correct guys. So first of all I am going to discuss about the inequality for the triangle guys. So we can say that triangle inequality. So triangle inequality is equal to guys, we can write here, what we can write here, a minus b mod of the two sides, difference of the mod of the two sides is always less than the third side guys, right? So we can write here the b minus c is also less than a, right, and a minus c is also less than b, right? Okay, and after doing the square of all this term, we can write here a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is always less than c square. We can write here b minus c whole square is always less than a square, and a minus c whole square is always less than b square, right guys? We can write here. And now I am going to add this equation. So you can suppose this is the first equation, this is the second equation, and this is the third equation guys, right? Now I am going to adding the equation first, second, and first, second, and third. So after adding we will get the value. What we will get the value guys? We can write here, so we can write here a minus b whole square. So we can directly, after opening the bracket, we can write here the 2 into a square plus b square plus c square guys, right? Okay, and this will become the minus 2ab, right? So after taking the common minus 2, we can write here the ab plus bc plus ca is less than a square plus b square plus c square guys, right? It is the given, right? Now I am going to send this term into this side and this term into this side. So we can write here a square plus b square plus c square is always less than by 2 into 2ab plus bc plus ca, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now I can write here the, after sending all this term, we can write here guys, what we can write here, a square plus b square plus c square, and when we send this all term into this side, so multiplication converted into the division guys, and we can write here the ab plus bc plus ca is less than 2, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now so we can write this term, and we can say that according to the given information guys, what equation we have, equation is, so this information we can use, right? So now it is, after solving we will get this information, and now I am going to use the equation, right? So what is the equation? X square plus 2 into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, x plus 3 lambda, we can write here the ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0, right? Okay, and the roots of this equation are real. So for the real, we know that d is greater than 0, and d is greater than 0, it means b square minus 4ac is also greater than 0. And what is the value of b, guys? So we can write here, we can simply write it as, from the last term we can write the 2 into abc whole square, guys. So we can simply write it as 2 into 2 square equal to, we can directly write it as 4, guys. So we can write here the 4a plus b plus c whole square. Are you getting my points, guys? Now what we can write here, the a plus b plus c whole square, and now we can write here the 4ac. So minus, we can write here the 4 into 3 lambda into, we can write here the ab plus bc plus ca. ab plus bc plus ca is greater than 0, right? Okay, guys, and after taking the common 4, and we will get the value a, and now I am going to open this bracket, and after taking the common 4, and we will send this 4 into the RHS, and it will become 0 by 4, so it is equal to the zeros, right? And we can write the a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square, plus we can write here the 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, and minus, we can write here the 3 lambda ab, guys, we can write. Okay, and after this term, and we will send this negative term into that side, guys, we can send, right? So it will become, when we send this all term into this side into RHS, so it will become positive, guys, and we can write here the 3 lambda plus bc plus ca, right? And when we send the all this term 3 and divided by all this term, guys, is equal to this term into this side, means from RHS to LHS, so it will become the a square plus b square plus c square, and after taking the common 2 as a common, and we can write here, what we can write here, guys, we can write here 2 into ab plus bc plus ac, bc plus ac, right? And we can divide, and when we send this term into converted into the division, guys, and we can write here ab plus bc plus ca, right? Are you getting my points? We can write here the ca, and its value is what? We can write here this is less than the 3 lambda, guys, and after solving, and after we can separate term, we can this term divided by this term and this term divided by this term, so we can write here a square plus b square plus c square divided by ab plus bc plus ca, right? And after dividing this term cancel out, and we will get the value 2 and greater than 3 lambda, okay, right? Are you getting my points, guys? Now I am going to use the boundary condition, guys, right? Okay, so we know that boundary condition, guys, I am going to use this boundary condition here. And what is the given information, guys? We have already discussed and we have already solved a square, this term is equal to less than 2, guys. So we can use according to the boundary condition, this is equal to 2, right? So we can write here 2 plus 2 is always greater than 3 lambda. So that's why we can write here the lambda is equal to 3 lambda is always less than, what less than, guys? We can write here 4, and lambda is less than 4 by 3. So it will be the correct answer. So I am going to check which option is correct. So option is A is correct, guys. So thank you.